In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-scroll to bottom of Google Sheets. If you work with long spreadsheets, jumping straight to the bottom can save you a lot of time. Maybe you're appending new rows, checking the most recent entries, or verifying where your data ends. I'll show you the simplest way to do it using a single keyboard shortcut, plus a few tips to make sure it behaves the way you expect. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and load the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, click anywhere in the column you want to navigate. The shortcut you're about to use moves within the column of the active cell, so placing your cursor thoughtfully helps. If you have a column that reliably contains data for every row, that's a great one to use as your anchor. You can also click the column letter at the top to select the entire column if you want the movement to consider that whole column. Now for the quick jump. On Windows and most Chromebooks, press Control and the down arrow together. On a Mac, press Command and the down arrow. This instantly moves your selection to the last filled cell in that column's current block of data. If your column is empty from where you started, it will take you to the very bottom row of the sheet. If your column has gaps, it may stop at the first blank it encounters. Just press the shortcut again to continue to the next block, or start from a column with continuous entries to land at the true end of your data set. A couple of helpful tips. If you want to return to the top just as quickly, use Control plus up arrow on Windows and Chromebooks, or Command plus up arrow on a Mac. If you need to select everything from where you are down to the bottom, hold Shift while using the shortcut. This highlights the entire range as you jump. And if your sheet has frozen rows at the top, the shortcut still works. Your selection will move while the frozen area stays in place. Finally, remember that the shortcut works within the active column. If your data ends earlier in one column than another, you may land short of the overall bottom of the sheet. In that case, switch to a column that consistently has values in the rows you care about and try again. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, click into the column you want, and use Control or Command with the down arrow to zip to the bottom. It's a small habit that makes big spreadsheets feel a lot faster to manage.